Shakas, crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another entry into my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway. I will leave the link to the original video in the description box below, or if you stay till the end of the video, you'll be able to click on it. This is my number 4th entry into my challenge giveaway, and it comes to us from, I'm gonna look at the name because I don't want the address, by Sweet Tea and Grace, and she is Samantha Barger here on YouTube, and I will leave her link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you guys can go check her out, because she's such an inspirational person and I love her crafty style, and you will see too. Watch this. So let's see what she sent. Woo woo. Oh, I love it, love it. Okay, we'll put that off to the side. She did send a card. So let's open the card. Oh, it says thank you with the pineapple. Love it. Says, Maka, congrats on your channel growth. Thank you for hosting this fun giveaway challenge. I hope you like the MDC I created for you. Your happy crafting friend, Samantha, by Sweet Tea and Grace. Oh, Samantha, thank you so much. Look at how beautiful. Sorry if it's the glare, you know, the gold. It's so shiny. Look at how pretty her bag topper is. And this flower with the butterfly. How pretty. And let's get into this packaging. Check out this Memorydex card. So beautiful. It's layered up and chunky. I love this fence she has put on it. Okay, let it go. Okay, we don't want to rip it. Here we go. We'll leave the beautiful packaging here. Look at this. So pretty. It is so chunky. Love the boots, love the picket fence, and it's like wood picket fence. Do you guys see it? Oh, happy little moments, and the bumblebee, the butterfly. She added a jewel here, and then this watering can with the spray in it. Even the paper. She has a pretty cool shape to this Memorydex card as well. I like the different shapes. It just looks different, and I like things that look different. Not everything looking the same. So pretty, huh? Okay, and she's Samantha Barger, like I said. She's from Virginia, and her favorite colors are pink and rose, gold and black and white. I know it's so hard to choose just one color, because you know that color goes with another color. Oh, but thank you so much, Samantha. I so appreciate you being a subbie and supporting my channel and sending this lovely Memorydex card in to me. And if you guys want to join in on the celebration, like I said, I will leave the link to my original video in the description box below, as well as the video should be popping up here shortly. And until the next video, shakas!